Hey you guys, Mustache Man channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm already opening it, but this is CREMO, Bourbon and Oak. This is the most searched for cologne on this channel. In the analytics for the videos, it tells me what you guys have searched up. I don't know if you guys hear that, that's my brothers fighting upstairs. Or just chasing each other. So, Bourbon and Oak. This is easily the most searched for fragrance on my channel. So, the analytics tell me what you guys search up, and this has been the one that's easily been at the top. So, just gonna do a quick video for my first impressions, because I think you guys have really appreciated that, and I really appreciate first impressions because it just really shows like the person's uncanny reaction to whatever fragrance they're smelling. So as usual, I don't really know any of the notes. Fragrantica is not on, doesn't really have these put down at all on their website. So distiller's spice in the top, middle single cask bourbon, and the base is white oak. Is just what I see on the side. So just a quick little video showing this to you guys. Normal bottle like all the other ones, normal plastic cap, shiny, good presentation, barbershop feel. You guys know the deal. I'm just gonna spray it on my skin and give you guys my opinion of it. So here we go. I'm really worried that I'm not gonna like this, so we'll see what happens. Oh, okay. That is a lot more pleasant than I thought it was gonna be. A lot more complex than I thought it was gonna be. I like the spiciness. For a second I thought that was vanilla, which I think there might still be a little bit of vanilla in there, but it's not like crazy, like obvious. I like that. Okay, I'm starting to smell some of the oak and the bourbon a little bit more. See, I got a bourbon and from Olivina a long time ago, I got a bourbon and cedar cologne, and I did not like that. It was really sweet. It was getting well, not really popular, but it was getting reviews, and the reviews from people were that it was really good, but I just didn't really care for it. But this one, that's why I was nervous about it being bourbon and oak, but I like it. The dry down is already seeming to be not as pleasant as the top, which is normal anyway, but it's starting to get almost an old man vibe already. I'm a 23-year-old for reference, for those who don't know. And it's already starting to kind of smell a little weird. This one is the most hyped up, though, from the CREMO line, though. But I don't know. But the opening is fantastic. So $20 or 22 for this one. $22 for the Bourbon and Oak. If you want to try it out. Otherwise, I'll get back to you guys in a couple weeks with my full review. Oops, my low power thing went on. I'll give you guys, more of my opinion on it and what I think after using it for a bit. I have a feeling it's going to be kind of a more older man scent, not, for people in their teens or 20s. But, yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video and the update on the full review of Bourbon and Oak. Catch you guys later. Bye.